It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Mr. And there, your first time or her subscribing and clicking notification bell on so am I still Yane Evangelist Adio said there no Yane no age need the ding. Now, it's here for say Nkofu Bibre are sending me message on this Evangelist Adai series. Masha CSMA and Nkofu Bibre are sending me message. Send your more money no ebimu edidi atem and fire home. Ebimu so efrey and train said yeah no we need you na Evangelist Adai no and say yeah no at any place. It's here for now one more support Evangelist Adai no you just don't know what you are doing. A branch way to make cansem F7 Crawford one more bois a man sign home our Ghana. Na wakasa ansem ni wiabon se nkrofo no wo mabembe bu wo meka se ade aye ye bo amansan kra no ye nye biom ati ase a branch we na wo freeway Illuminati no freeway Illuminati na another controversial personality oba Facebook and nkrofo ene no India grokra Kamal Muhammad is the only Facebook blogger na nsenya wo interview Shatawale Embra Shatawale one a Beyonce enya feature no Kamal Muhammad is a big blogger, Facebook blogger Ghana. Now Kamal Muhammad din sembi abetuja afa Evangelist Adai ho. It's here for was say this is the end of Evangelist Adai and his stupid mami water. We obi na wu ni ma. Evangelist Adai de was say wono no Christo ye mbibu ye di nechi Evangelist Adai wono ndi Christo echi. Prophet Muhammad din so no on DH, wono de obesom mame water. Iti Kamal Muhammad ebedi mame water tem. Na say eno na Kamal Muhammad ye no anye Evangelist Adai dey. And I say we Evangelist Adai anye o dey. Ama wa babonte wo ka se masa enye se ye de nyama bi di agro na what say Kamal ebedi watem Kamal be kan se metia mame water na enye se ye de nyama bi di agro. Na me se hwe we Evangelist Adai a wotena se ekasati a Jesus Christ no obi ankasa o. Utumi di Jesus Christ atem, utumi di Prophet Muhammad atem, and then they could do the atem de oya. We won't send yet. We won't send yet. Into the Kamal Muhammad, kasabe brief 500 Adai. O dinatem ye di mame watatem. O we no and our interview Vivian Joe and on no a bon como. You go to nsema for me the tuja.
Yes, oh yes. Ya ka wontie no. Debi no behu. Na sa wo besin na wo be wade a wo ye free na sa wo nim na wo kakaduru ana sa wo di mako e ka ho de a ohwenum e na besin su sa wo besin na wo be wade a wo ye free na sa wo mako na wo nim na wo de kakaduru se ka no a ene ye na se uwo mu ana wo no ada wo besin aye free na se de wo mako e di kakaduru afra na no hwene emu besonsuo ade ohwenim ebesonsuo wa ade ohwenim ebesonsuo yede Facebook wa ewo no yede so obiare ni mission obiare de obeso woye ba sa wo ba Facebook so se o be se owiase ana sa wo be se Ghana man anase obe se nipa de a empenyimfo wom ade empenyimfo wom oye baby oye akwada oye young boy oye young oye small boy ade oye de oye small boy in this business. Wagine so wasa wagine mu kan wagine mu ekon kikiri first na me pe wasem pa ba wa ya mu daw first na me ya daw but ma wo se ujimi ni ya mo ma wo se ujimi no e ya mo unimi nyansa ujimi no aye mo na me so sa me hwa na me hu so wajimi a na me what to position because also we are stubborn waso no me sum sia no ma hwe no ma te no me so waso se ya ma hwene se ne mate no because de mi tie enkwase asem eni chimisem eni abisem ade wonko a wo ye hwan a hwe nipa na we se de ositie hwe wo shape na we wo se de ositie basaye tan ade ene me start ya yo ni ma no wota ho adwuma me start ya yo ni ma no wota ho adwuma because ade what did you Christopher atem what did you Kremofo atem what did he komsheni atem what did he Yesu Kristo atem enkwasi asem bia ekosu bia ade una wudi no Facebook iso na mraso se matcho se oya kwala ada de odi ho atwe ne so no se oya maame woto so oya papa woto oya abode na oya small o mi menim because nemi jinyankopon bi Allah eti dia wudi ho akire no so no oya kitwa oya akete wese dia wo fi se ono nti wo betimi atietie obi afa hodie no so no oya akete wese na this time ekono mabusa because uchimi no ya more said say wunti na de utimi didi ya komsheni Muhammad atem said say wunti na utimi didi komsheni utimi didi Yesu Kristo atem said say wunti who the hell or who the do you think you are? Who the hell or who the do you think you are? Odo esa wo ya hwan? Hwedi pattern kanya uni shape. We shapeless are there. Ohene ase al anwonchim ayati. Anasa ala tasam na yati so. Ohene tan time hwe wano pacha. Wano fin. Wonim fin. Who can kind out the social media so. Wo betimi editi. Obia opebia no wodi na tem. Utibi ko fo obia na wo send image. O se odi oma penyi or politician na Akufo-Addo. Odi man no obia no ofiu because politician there edwuma on so choose no. Odi team penyimfo atem. Obi en few. But this time no what trap na maami watano a oye foolish maami watano oye idiot maami watano awo maami watana onim nyansa no empo wosi wubu no maami watana hu fi no wosi wubu no wosi wubu maami wata wo chimini a hu fi a wo bodam o maami no papa be gina camera so ka se ya ba no ya bodamfo ya ba no ne bodam tina ya pam no free army na wo chimini sa no uti ba Facebook so ebe kika nkwase asem na ama omo so omo adwini sa omo adwini kitikiti sequence na omo so di nkwase asem echi na ukwa hu nye mebufu se sai ejibifo na omo di wochi no san kwasefo na omo di wochi na uchibi omo no a omo nim nyansa a sebe ya nteti omo ayeye omo ninti omo di wochi ade a me de be wo be feel me energy ni ya mad me energy no e mad met ma bu de bia met ma yo hu dwuma de bia de ama bodam na wo bodam no ama no ma na afifa utiri mu no ni na tie fi utiri mu because sa also we are bad maybe a bad channel akwa na ni nso ade no betu panya na ni nso ade na wutsimini sa no nipa fi nipa tan sa no uti social media si enya social media ma na fa chimi na fa say celebrate na fa say mpanyimfo na fa chimi na fa yankwase ase because of so wonya enema omuso support unti. Who the do you think you are? And I'm sorry I no pay. Say ade o tete no abomidin. And now ade say Mummy antie di oka.
Very, very careful. I'm going to say, Kama Mohammed, the Mokrano, Ibidi, Matem, the other. I'm going to say, Kama, no, and Ibidi, Matem, you know. Now, on no bid Matem, no so crana. Yes, who would be Mamma Wata, Tim, and answer Mamma Wata, and I will move in Yezu, and you may be how we
I dare say, yes, Kama Mohammed, Munina, Bedi, Natem. Na didi atem o mudidi no omo say didi ma no water atem onu ya didi ma no water atem na hano hwe chiminia dana ni ba ne bema na awo no ne mo hwe chimia ode abata ne ho ode nam o se ene onu wo so ma no water na onu betima didi Yesu Kristo atem onu betima di komseni Muhammad atem onu betima di Allah atem na maami wata ne ho fi ne ho kankan ye di maami wata atem a hano na maami wata me se me kwahwehwe no na ma destroy maami wata maami wata sa wo maami wata kankan wenti ana wo se wo magana phone na ma destroy no. I'll beat the shit out of her. I'll beat the shit out of my water. Man water. Would simini say was so man water. Man water met my bonawi said met my bon said we. Met my bonawi say ageno. Man water.
take it sometimes as a joke. Ebia wako baby ami aka chiro so a secret into the kataso. But that doesn't give them the opportunity so omra bontene na obumididi atep rough atiase. Ebia na wo munim but me no. Me ma wo a little clue say any bo ha any kwan so omudidi agro because e debo ha ebia no bo ha onye serious in niam bia wo ye but yamfa ne maybe ni agro kama yes kama aduana kama o okay me abusuafo no bia ho ye me cheche abusuafo ni ha yeah ma
I'm there I am confused. Watch a video more than 10 minutes as I watch abusuafo because punches now what Jeffrey me hono said you me good boy there no ajinsem boy me good bono ajinsem na me boy there sa me buno sa chimi for we ni patan time we nipa fiwe Facebook na ayefo obi a ne maame ne papa be kan wo Facebook live e Kofi TV se wo ye bodanfo na Ghana fo anya de 20 na meti ha mu na mo chibi na mu di na chi no mu nti mu kwa na mu ye mo pufuo no se obi a wo chimi sei a ono anawfo abeka kire Ghana fo se ni chimi nti ne pam ne fi army bodaba wo bodam nti ediade kufom wa army a otisadi nipa ni binia no afadi e wa army enu nti ne pam no na sa chimi fo we o twetwenchie we na mu dinechi na mu de say amanfo images na mu de say amanfo images e ba to obi anhye o chimini we o tanisi amanfo images oba no obehu se o picture bi onu fi se picture na aye bibia na onu atam na o de nam na o de o twa nsema ku so adenti na dem be kasa meso bi illuminati ni bi adenti na de this o chem obi ada ansa no obo medin ni busamo because onim se ekun we no ekun esu chen no onim se sa kun we no ekun esu chen no because me bono na ma buma no wata eguso foolish boy
very, very careful. I'm going to say, Kama Mohammed, the Mokrano, Ibidi, Matem, and the other. Almost Kama, no, and Ibidi, Matem, you know. Now, on also, on Obid, Matem, no, so crana, yes, who would be Mamma Wata, Tim, and answer Mamma Wata, and I will move in Yezu, and maybe how. We take it sometimes as a joke. Ebia wako baby ameka chirusu a secret into the kataso. But that doesn't give them the opportunity so mumra bontne na obumididi atep rough what you say. Ebia na wo munim but me no mema wo mu a little clue say eni mebo ha eni kwan so omudidi agro because edebo ho bia no bo ha onye serious in name bia wo ye but yemfa ne maybe ni agro kama yes kama aduana kama wo okay me abusuafo no bia ho ye me cheche abusuafo ni ha yeah maame wata na mudidi na tem okay enke
maame wata ye chimifuo maame wata we chimifuo or a useless woman. So onu na wo sum dia or you foolish woman. Because so onu na wo sum no anasa onu na odi nechi na wanche unyansa na chimi no wo kire wo dia. Na chimi say e no wo che o se brabedi. Oh my God, na mama what we chimifu. Me destroying. I'll destroy her.
Mufo kwa mopenyin no kwa efre ni shake. Mopenyin na mo fre ni shake no. Ni din she ene di kan shake no SHE ene di kan.
Ayo trisu wa pampaso. Ayo chimi ene di kan. Shake no she. Ayo Jimmy, no one kwasi akeka, no one bought down kekano, and a kind foolish boy. What do you know about Islam? What do you know about Nkemoson? Timifonya kwasi afo. Sheikh was she in a kind. She in a kind. Do you understand or do you know the meaning of sheikh? Sheikh any English word. Na she abedi kan. Sheikh any English, any brofo. Sheikh, you know, any brofo. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Once a window kwasia for chimifo no mudi wotia. Sheikh no see ne. Look at this foolish boy trying to play smart on innocent fools. Look at this stupid and useless dirty boy trying to play smart on fools. Sheikh no see ne. Look at this dirty boy. Dirty boy. Gata boy. Rubbish boy. Trying to be smart on fools. Because you can't be smart on intelligent people. You can only be smart on fools.
Sheikh, you know, and the first one Ankh. And now we're trying to show to a Sheikh. She is the Ankh. And
foolish people. They fall for this idiot. Was it Sheikh, you know, she ne kind. And a Ankh. Look at this foolish boy. Our Ghanaians are wasting their silly time on this art so. Me shamo ana me dimu ho yaw. Me hwe Jimmy Foa, you follow this rubbish. So we teach you. Akase mo betiti bini na mo dia hye mo no wesa. Akase mo betiti bini na mo dia hye mo no wesa. Jimmy Foa. Muni IQ 9 low. Ti se wadam fo we onso anya Facebook abetina se. No wanya nkwasiafo bi mu. No wanya nkwasiafo no woti ho. Wasi Sheikh no she ni yes oba. And an Ankh, she is the Ankh. Look at these useless people following this foolish boy. Look at this, I mean, good for nothing people. You listen to rubbish. You listen to idiots like this. Untino.
Enkremofuo nyina panyini kama na wodi matem. Atiase. Enkremofuo nyina mo panyini ne di Sheikh. Sheikh in she is the Ankh. Oba baby no. She is the Ankh. You know. She is the Ankh. Sheikh. Yeah. Sheikh ni she is the Ankh. And enkremofuo panyini na wasan Sheikh na mo san free ni Imam. Imam no I am Exodus 3:14. Mene.
Just imagine this foolish boy. Hey, Ghana for been more chimney. For you. Look at the way he's talking. Or the nothing, no the way I can wear boom, no the way I can be, no the brain quasia for no panamo no, said it. Ebe kumina, ebe chumina, we kumina, because we useless people. Well, what can one? I saw the boy for you. So, but I can't do it here. I saw Bano chin out number for it because emphasis will be in this. Emphasis will be in this. So, but you will be here. You have to sacrifice her because she's of no use. So, but you will be here. She's of no use. Come on, my people. Come on, can't you reason? Sheikh no e she ono one interpretation wa fa ono na wonya Jimmy Foa twa ho ahia oso wo kire o made Allahu Akbar. Foolish boy like this, dirty boy like this, obi a mo hwe ne honam na mo hwe ne ho fia o de ti America na mo hwe ne body na mo hwe ni pa honam ne ho basaye a wo kire mo ade. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for useless people like you, foolish people like you, idiots like you, dirty people like you, sick person, wasting your time on this useless dog. So no so mame water. Jimmy Foa. No but sasia no bie na no o keka nkwase asem. Na amanfo bi so afa. No mo pon se work up. Mo se ma fi we bi da. Mom said Jimmy Fowe, Mom say I can't send that. Baby, you all do know. I do time I see it's here the quantity. It's here the quantity say. Into my piano. I do time I say me night tear the quantity, let me chimney quantity say. Me bono, na my tear the quantity. Jimmy Fowe. Foolish boy like this.
And also is the title for the mother. What you say? I am an ama equal to am a ma. What you say? Into a monim de omoya. Ibia adiego ha yeti ho kakra bia kirew. But that doesn't give them the opportunity so meba bontene ababidi di atem. Assembi na aba na mpese bia mo kan bi. You know how you play your mind games.
What's it? Assembly naba and your person can be. Assembly naba. What's it? Assembly naba and your person can be. Assembly naba. Would Jimmy now? Oh yeah, you know. Would Jimmy kekana? Okay, cano. Unkwasi ya kekano. And uko kebi. And you also we Jimmy for. And you also we nyansa. And you we are punchy. We are breaking. And ye ba betino ni ya pro fans ni na ya konya fans no ye pro ni na because mo jimi ya said yes tini mu jimi na bo jimi no nti asembe na aba kasie asembe na aba no audio bi o ha obi so ayaba muntie
bibi o biasi ade wa ya ba bonsa so because ade anya ba bonsa ma memi si wo boa ade aba me so another 3 days no buy no ba woman be form na me sase no oh, I'm born out of dance room. My friend of Posnano.
Hey!
Oh, but was shoot to say the my issue. Lameda, the cat is betrayal. The cat is no Pia every unity of them. Laminiman and Sana, I am Posnano. Miniman afterwards, Yamupa and Agamoa. Seni na mi adum na posna no e ka me ready a akoba no moja no bibi wo wiasim
okra
bibi wo wiasim enti mi woni pa de bo mo tie mu ka se ensem America nya no kra na me hwe o ma na ya mesere
no kra true do
abadi Yesu Kristo mi wa ni bi na hu ensem America nyi nara bibi wo wiasim
okra
akwani ya ba bonsa akwani ya ba bonsa ne sapa ya posna na ya prakese ne so ya posna me si ya prakese on san sama me kan ni nara eguni page wo so timi mi na no kasa edipa o mudi na tini na je wo kra apa Jale jiwo kra kwa na uradi Yesu Kristo woba yewo ni padu o ma tie na sa na o ma wu ko bo senje
okra
o ma wu ko bo senje bibi wo wiasim se bibi ni wiasim na pese o mu se bibi wo wiasim a wiasim wo bia ni tumi e kita eni ti de bia so no obi ya asam Nasa some okwada anajo no jomu wa bi so no attack e obenya no eno no kira o sese na obenya adaya ba bonsa papa adaya ba bonsa onu ani si awawo no o tene so odina ni ntwe samuwa edoru obi a na china say enchine asaforadi Yesu Kristo chele ne binini ani tu mo adoro mo wa dori pie bibi wo biasi vie mo atufuo Any assassination demons like a sea of demons like a sea of people time. And the banner some more. So you should be soon. And it's in the more spiritual marriage. And a spiritual marriage in this one. So spirit now on so 2 minutes or bar. Now so only Berman at Tiakrana. What you are giving about the Gino Bano. Who Berman what about Bano do you? You want to tell a drum who Buomopa or Buomopa as she demons. Spiritual marriage was Dawanajo or no Buandano Tunopa. And then what you want to Dawano so Tuamopa. Who patch the demons? Tio Dana Juna Wotopa, only demons there. Demons, we want to for Jesus Christ to move who assassination. One woman a put Jamaica. But for demons, you want to for me demons. 2 years for me demons. 2 years for me demons. About for Jesus Christ to poor woman and know that. And you buy your assemble. And you are so much what see yourself. And you are so much what see yourself. Then said Biasino, I apostle, said, Bay you to be more. Obey me at Dana and Winnie Baba 5. And Nippa of that Dana, who are winning more, or person no one time say no more. Demons. Ada when you demon papa no crack when you demon udina chicha demon papa you the ready Christo utina se wana wa pono abeda me antichrist bi se utia already Jesus Christo utia Christ antichrist no e kire se utia Christ Jesus Christo put Jamaica to Dawanajo, or no Guandano, Tunopa, and then what do you know to Dawano, so Tunopa, school patch the demons. Tio Dana Topa, only demons there. Demons, two for Jesus Christ, 2 women who assassination, 1 woman put Jamaica to. By for demons. You want to for me demons. 2 years for me demons. 2 years for me demons. About for Jesus Christ poor woman and that. And you buy your assemble. And you are so mad what see yourself. And you are so mad what see yourself. Said Biasino, I apostle, said, Bay you to be more. But me at Dana and Winnie Baba 5. And Nippa of that Dana, who are with or person no one time say no one. Demons. I die when you demon, when you demon. You didn't teach her why being demon. Who the right Jesus Christ, what you not say one more problem. Abedame antichrist, if it's all here, I read Jesus Christ. The Christ. Antichrist, you know, a chance with here Christ.
Someone say, I dare no. They say, I'm all for the brain who say, I dare no. Or a bronsam, or a before. Or Basse, or Baba say, if we are saying. O share. Mahusa bronsam phony be a wood in the chinoma for her. Because bronsam enye wuro mu na eme dese sa bronsam for no ba ha mba betie me because me ma omo afri sa bronsam sam no mu sa baye na ti mu me betutu ni na wa ha ne because omo ma me wata no kra no me westi no ma me wata na omo so omo gini di no a woni mi nyansa no be wasting and then no ho pusi ade sa kwasia no ho pusi cha obo mi di kwa na no ho pu obo mi di na no ho pu kurasi ni boy say na wuti wiasim wo se wo de nyansa sebie ni wo ba ni wiasim ti se Jimmy wanya America wo te Ghana ka sa nkwase asem we ko betima di afena wo sia de ehie afena wo sia de ehie na ma show some with Jimmy for a long time but say oba abatete ne ba na ene ne ba nyini edu pempenso bi na wo se wo ba beku ne nimase abra wo pra ene evidence wo evidence ne say one ne ba na sa ama ne ba na so ne maami mu kwasia ka ne ba no nko so maami mu ne ba no konko so wo maami mu say wa so ne maami mu enti wo fi say one ne maami da ama one ne maami awo ono ne nua uni nyansa we nyansa ni ben nipa ben oni nyansa nipa ben na nyansa guni tim anaso oni nyansa obefa sa asem we ta oni ye topic bi se chimi fo omudi wechi no na embere na so se ese meteno embere na so se ese de utu no ukwan so na woni nkwasi afo no nkodi mo nkwasi agro sa wo so woni nkwasi afo no nkodi mo nkwasi agro na wodi nkwasi agro no beba yen aye nyame ma no go upstairs go upstairs na woni nkwasi afo no modi mo nkwasi asem beba yen no ma ye nyame ma no so a ye be waste mo ye be chemo se mo ye nkwankwa kwasia afa na wo ka se kama Muhammad odidi maami wata atem maami wata wo ye chimifo me na me kan ka che se me so oye mu ka che maami wata kwasia ni mu
very careful. I'm say kama Muhammad do mo kra no e be didi matem na ade almost kama no nyina be didi matem you know very careful. I'm say kama Muhammad do mo kra no e be didi matem na ade almost kama no nyina be didi matem you know na ono so a ono be di matem no so kra na yeso mu didi maame wata tem nyina se maame wata na omu enye yizo eni ma bi wo ha we take it sometimes as a joke ebia wakoba bia me aka kire so secret nti wo de kata so but that doesn't give them the opportunity so omra bontene
etwetwe bia so anyana wo kwase ni kwa ho funwi wo so mpase be di maame wata atem wo funwi wo mpase be di wo atem na hwe oba ti se Vivian Gel hwe ni twetwe enimonyama nyame di ama no hwe no ho fe na hwe se de ho si akono na wo jimi ni we wo de wano apo wo si apo wo si fin wo si kankan e de camera gina wo so se wo de obedi na atem na wo abua sa no abua te se wo sei ni edi watem a yesi mu didi matem kwasia o ka se be kru ho o ka se on kwa no wo jimi on so ye kumasi ni misumi ye kumasi ni ufiri kumasi misumi firi kumasi match o se dadie bi etwa dadie mu chimifuo obia o jimi na obia hew wanko kasa oba no aka obia ni won ka obia ni unu asem won de call politicians unso obi fiu but pufu se obi ni ne ba na woni evidence uni endinaso obia you just come out for no reason oti America oti Ghana sempo obi na tano kwa no de na asema bra wo se baguna ni masia evidence be the crowd sa wo ni nyansa so obi kura na be ka che wo se be ka sa asem na say wo evidence free on pa kro nsem because sa ka sa no ya dia na ultima prove innocence but what Jimmy na woni nyansa nti what Jimmy a woni nyansa nti you just come out and start tarnishing her image for no reason woni pa phone pa time we I say hey you did what him me chi ukran ka ma bubo ka me tia ukron so because what Jimmy too much woni nyansa ba kokora e didi what him mo ye kwasia ne sia pro si ye didi won na te mo he
very very careful mo se kama Mohammed no mo kra no e be didi matem ne ade o mo se kama no nyina be didi matem you know na ono so a ono be didi matem no so kra na yeso mu didi maame wata tem nyina se maame wata e na o mu enye yizo eni ma bi o ha we take it sometimes as a joke. Ebia wako baby a me aka kire so a secret into there.
Kwasia, who is taking it as a joke? Why they take it normal as a joke? Who can say you wrong? Why they take it as a joke? Kwasini, why they take it as a joke? Who can say you go wrong? O yare ya be saw yare on social media so. O yare o de yare ne ba be gugu amanfo ni mase wa bodam a o yare nti ye nyaawo na fo obi a na yare fo o mo te se wo so na o mo so asom ye de o mo nyina beto o mo place back one after the other and na kwasia boy bi ye friend na kwame oh ma me ko fe ne picture nche mo kwasi di boy bi na koredu eye program na koredu eye program no na akobi se friend na kwame some kwasini bi ana o course na o support dia dey ye no na o support na me di nkomo na ana me start say me blasting wade no so na me blasting na obi fachi no be ka chem say ono sa boy no wa rape ni nua ba na ni nua no 17 years ana o rape ni nua ba no sa de piano repu ni nua ba no nse ma so ye repu mo ntimi nka e ma ni nua ba na free one na wo a kra no kra nyini adam say oh I see so nipa bia o ye nipa boni ni bia no e ya no po bia ka no nti na kwa me de na sem beba na se de misia bu na kwa mo social media so no e ba ni mo me pese be finish ya day wi na sama buosi na kwa me na so sawa no na kwa me oni ni nua ba da nyinsani nua ba he was supporting na koredu o ye mi ami nua ba na me di hu ya o kakra mo amuni me se me de ade ne se de sitie sa na me de tupu me de wo de o beye no sa na meka enna me da ho me tnyane ntem kakra enna me hu se na koredu e wo life enna me se ma me nko hwe me nua ba me koye na koredu ne ti o aba ha oni o hwe me ko hwe na koredu na obo audios bi from Vivian na busuafo na koredu we wo si bo audio no mu a o ke kansem bi me din ho am say nana why would you talk like that na koredu say Vivian Ekuma essay Vivian ye wo no ye share the bo like ye kan no asem so oba be kesi oba be titu na koredu ka say eye den na Ekuma no e ka say Vivian wo no enkom shemba no so say obenyina be nipa obe star anaso obe kese na Ekuma no that time na e Vivian no on wo ho ana because oni ho a wonti nka ho asem na me say na koredu what are you talking about Samu dia samwa anase sa asemba na se nipa no kwa mo mpe na asemwa you don't go that bad sene kuma na die ne kuma ekani eti kofa noche wuni no what wo hunida pame kuma wo hunida Wawuna. But almost some I can. Yet me can as ye dina honey, ye no more than for crana. I didn't see. And it's a mamma. What to say? You see, Vivian, mammy, woman, what history be, and answer something about her. Can she not also say it? Menana, woman, mammy. Now, me catch you, say, Menana cries, and I'll say in the sea. I say it to people. Why can't I say that? Because information I mean information from the correct source. Why can't I talk about it? And then the audio no I didn't like it. Because also your bani be. Say Jimmy Phobi to say there. Et me you be mammy a pieba one thing. That's or seno. Now also we are bar. Now also I say oh don't I say oh yes time no. Why will you do such a thing? Sabita fraction. Nana kwale say adenti na Vivian and the babet me asa no was so the nane bana sonimu. Come on people. Vivian see one about no 15. Also one about no 15 years. Akwala wa uba. Akwala wanuswa wa akwala. Akwala 15 or a teenage. And also baby. And what do you expect? They will play together. Vivian tell now who you know. And Kolabi at that age, you know, your mom Toby, that time, no, yeah, time, no, near mom Toby, nobody Toby, ni diablo, so Mauba. Pacho, me boy, some woman can't hear me. Time now, Vivian won a ban 15 years, no. Now Kolabi who 15 years. Nobody Toby, Bonnie Bunny diablo. No, team Ghana, you won't be brave. Yeah, that time, yeah, if you can you pena. Yeah, young, now again, lady. You can go in time, no, you know. That time you're young, that age, you know. You tell me your mom and papa. No, a whooper, no, my ba, me benny, not to say, no, me cosu. And what are you talking about? She was young when she had that baby. So obviously, you know, baby, no, obey all over the baby. And the baby is just a baby, nothing, nah. Because we are called our Uber. Until the woman sub relationship. But because of say Ghana, Sadiano and Norson. Sadian and Norson. But America. And I say UK. Ma before be or my the same age or the same size. And two more because we be in empana. Me as once baby a metier. Nana bafo espijo wo nyame mfa ne cleansi one ne maame omo na mo ane maame ne nsa de dane maame ekonsi ya ne nsa de dane maame sisi because one owo ya tintin and omo maame no so I wa be so omo ge omo na mo aso ase obi timi nana bafo ne ge I mean this beautiful kwa ye ofe and me ba mai. Last week, me no call baby, na me ko peka biato. That was last week. Me call ye. Ye kwa ko me kwa ko peka na to no. You talk and ye ba no say, "Hey, now girlfriend ni ama." He doesn't know because me ba ni na gina ho. Obaka say me girlfriend no. Because when you aba beto me. Me na mo na uhunu obaka say me girlfriend na me say da bi. I no say sa ade ofriga na me say yeah. I no say na wan na me say me ban. No say obani. You understand? Because ohun ye no. Oh, say, get in a minute na just say, because I'm a size. Me call Ghana, maybe I'm a down for crack at Yamason, never palai man. No filly boy. Not down for me classmate. What's so filly me? Because you almost be a young guy. I say, met me a sharp namana or catch him the banner say, oh, papa can be feeling no. You understand? And the son of Vivian in the banaye. I'm about the same age. It only not dia grow, only not din kwala grow. Only not din kwala grow because that time no will know you matured. It atwana best and a downfall. It your relationship no enya mudie ni bi. Enya mudie na mo mai to fe wa no, afa no mu pega no, enya saa die ni bi. A different thing altogether. Munhu ni saa kwan no so. But some mo hwe ne say Mo hwe the picture to say make ama me ne me maame age abata me maame we panyi. There's no way. Betimi ne me maame edi sa agro because me maame me owo me na we panyi, we maame panyi dada. On a house girl. House girl na hwe me. Enti me maame a different me mfa me maame. Any Vivian ne ba no en compare ma ne nye peda. Na me wuse nkwasiafo bi so betro say, Kamal Muhammad, are you not a Muslim? I will support to the Vivian. I say Vivian on the ban wa we no. And I'm not say Vivian da le ban so. Vivian o ekremoni, she's not a Muslim. Ono so one ne son o e Christoni. Concerning Muhammad ne ba, oba ne ba fia ne ba na ware mpon wotimi, o fe na ha no fe na ha. What is wrong with I mean so no ba e be nya good relationship. Me ne me pai. Me ba ama me ne ka get me ka girlfriend wa get bia me hu pa e come o pa me friend na me musa no be ka tire mo. Itini ne beti ke bi hu nkomo. Hu ge bi o get na nice ama hu ge na pa na wo hwe se bi o sitia. Say down no. I mean, what you met me na tin komo. An komo me ni me ba de bedi. Enti what is wrong with that? Vivian met ma kunya papa bi and boy bi to aka chen man say actually bra less o ba hu ne say. What you why mature 20 years o bet me na tin komo sa kra na dwuma bi enko ade. What is wrong with that? Tamu ye nkrasefo. No, it's up to you. But she doesn't want to join that your useless thing. She doesn't want to join that your useless lifestyle. On any ban more good bond. On any bit massa. It's her life. Does that mean so on any banada? On any senti, does that mean so on any da? Send a ban play kissing my does that mean so on any banada? What is wrong in Vivian back? So be kissing my mommy. What is wrong with that? What is your problems? I mean, there's nothing wrong to that. Obiano kwa faso titine bawo. Me see so me je abrante kakra no. Me won namfofo no mutimi de care ba o ma me fie. Na ge na betena no ante akonya na oboa ma me kwa ma no aduane. Me manyini up to ne. Me ma me ntimi fa ge enko me ma me ni. People are different. People are different, and we have to accept and understand that. Full stop. But because of some primitive, you don't have primitive. Mom say Akwabi was a crystal. Was say you don't have a job, Anna. Mom. And Kwasiafo bi say ba ya na ombuso mutwem fa ba e say me to bombo. Mom say Kwasiasa crystal. Ble. Kwasiase no e say me bonito no fo. Mom say Jinifo. Obusa me say don't you have job, Anna? Oh no, what job not hear him? Look at you, this useless fool, animal. Jimmy force ano. Ano bu se me nye adwuma, ono wo ye adwuma no. Wo ja na adwuma ho hwe me. Enti me ni mienu ana Jimmy. Tell me, yanko yeni. Ebusuafo. Enti ye nyansafo sa no. Se wo se Jimmy e koso ba bia, we tackle it because nyame am myself to me no. Wama esa power no, wama esa energy no to tackle fools like Ade. Wama esa energy no, wama wisdom. The na Solomon e bom paya no pe enwie nwumre. Ese nyankopon de acha me. Metimba bi. What de acha me free. Enti same hum ejimifo no mo di jimi agro a. Na me fili se metintini wo mo. Na me do mo ato mo place. Na mama wiase ate ase se ejimifo na edi agro ni. There was difference between a Jimmy Phone and Yansafo. And it's a way and Yansania don't fall into fools. Don't follow fools. Be a reason. Tini Yankupama was Jenny. Any Yansa was a fire then. Fat Jenny. The difference between a moi and a Nipano. A moi and Yansa. But Nipadasini, Yamiama was Jenny. Ultimate Jenny, a differentiate between good and bad. Good and bad. Right and wrong. The social media mobile. Me te say unsa de nkofo no. Nya ye tin. Because omo say sa kwo bi wache kwo bi. Kwo bi o say kwo ukwo nia. Ukwo no na nim so kwo bi so ho. Omo di jimi ni echi. Enti manya opportunity to educate fools. Timinya some foolish people where I put them. Men no more grow you. Men form ni agro because Jesus Christ. A do baby no. On whom some way we and quasia phone. One tia mom or chin fear. Into me chin fear no more. Puff your was almost sure. Come on, now boy sano. Patch open invitation. Mamma from out. Maybe me submission. Open invitation. Invitation never casa. Nami on show. Ada na casa. Munti Jimmy no. Munti ni Jimmy casa. Munti.
Very very careful. I'm say Kama Mohammed Romokra no. Ibedi matem ne ade ade. Almost Kama no me na ibedi matem. You know. Na ono so a ono be di matem no so kra na yeso omu didi maame wata tem nyina nsa maame wata na omu enye izo eni ma bi wo ha we take it sometimes as a joke ebi a wakoba bi a me aka kire so secret nti wo de kata so but that doesn't give them the opportunity so omu mra bontene na omu didi atep rough atiase ebi ana wo omu nim but me no Mema omo a little clue say any boa any so mo didi agro because a debo ha bia no boa onye serious in near maybe awoye but yemfa ne maybe ni agro kama yes kama aduana kama o okay me abusuafo no bia ho ye me cheche abusuafo ni na maame wata na mo didi na tem Enkremufu okra mo panyin no kwa ifre ni shake. Mo panyin na mo fre ni shake no. Ni din she ene di kan shake no SHE ene di kan. Shake no na de soso na ank na o mo twa na short wa ene shake nti she is the
open invitation ma me obi da bra na be say so. Na ma wie me mo.
Binya shake. Enkremufu nyina
I open invitation ma me ma speak no.
Enkremufu nyina mo panyin ni di shake no she is the ank oba bi no she is the ank you know she is the ank shake yeah shake ni she is the ank and enkremufu panyin na wasan shake na mo san free ni imam no I am 314 Mene. And also is the title for the mother. What you say? I am and a man, a chat for AM, a man. What you say? Into a moon the Omoya. Ibia, I did go out yet, Tihonka Crebiatro, but that doesn't give them the opportunity so maybe about the attempt. Assembly Nabanam Pesidia Mokendi. You know how you play your mind games. You can always do that. But you cannot go extra mile to say what the telegram no yes so be so no kwa America or hebe kira kwan
open invitation obet match invitation open invitation open invitation obet match but your invitation ebra na be say so na yanku yanim na akwa na de maka cham say this year we in street time we phone say na etimi akasa but my send invitation more open invitation much muscle so invitation na na ya already remember also pictures na go ya say me ba cho any say dabi ya say de wo ye na ya say de wo ye na dabi masa pa na ta wo di utia ko fo wa na ma me wata Yeni say, Jan about to say, come Jan Tiba. What other man what do tea?
Salam alaikum, Kama.
I am who pass say Yan Kasa.
Salam alaikum, Kama.
Why, Samura?
And Chankoma, Yashafo near Tifuina.
Obi ajo so boss.
Nana, meaning say, Anope o fire kakra ni menka akwana nko obeka sakra o but still now think as I
oh me se boy na no ne enyu me money jasa me body jasa me body jasa small boy when you nya no money me no Ghana my musa look at
yaru kankani
I bet diama dia banza kawa
now one thing they say nana kuna do ya program ya na wo kan ya wo ka say na o ka bi bi asem na pa bi akini say unim kama wi asem no ya nkan di wachi a wo say agro ye de
no crap
yes so we nipa na nkan ye wo unua ba na obi di asem we to na ka wo anga how will you feel?
Very bad.
Yes. Or that's an Ibia, I say, Obeka over support to the idea in Ibiano. No one got no meaning, say, Nipa, you know, excuse me, say, we use Nipa in Ibia, or ultimate reason, say, we Nipa. Because I dear Diobia, and find any idea what any would know. I didn't see a Diobia or the air. Said, yeah, I made it. I didn't see a Diobia, make us a minute. So, because the community have an idea, and you made that. Internet near the Obi, Nipan work and make us support on. What is it? Make us support now. Obizo by platform also can say, are they uni a Juma Wayana? Then to say anyone or Juma Wayana about life of Behewono.
I don't know, also the punching what I you.
Also, football ma, a general who start imagining function. Come on.
Like, give me 14 when you're more what you own. Only Yansa, wait, you
because Samekati will be said. Samekati will be said, Kwaku ni answer. Any question Kwaku, any Kwaku didn't come over.
Definitely.
Now, catch will be said, what will be platform? So catch will be said, Nipano, only a Juma way. Until one put away a business word Juma way and Bruno. And our bet now platform is now was at the was spend it at the idea. I spend the data. Now, what is your order? Because who will be platform so say only a Juma away yana. I say na nipa no who be ma jena omo use o man phone so data WhatsApp message by na no onya research bia nti obi ka asem bia na waje adi. What I say? Yeah.
O jane but your money nyane ye be bolo papa ye be chichi ma
oni baby a o jane akọ oye video na me jin so bia be ka san papa bi say wo mo say come on wo mo say o mo say wa hwade na wo so mo say
me you are la freezy boss ola na freezy o betima ka te sa o tie me o betima ka te la no na ye fa ni pa fofo Queenie me from telling me say you say your phone is say Queenie oh far for the say lebraso Queenie, my friend, but I don't know. My friend, but let me say, Oko. But another call. Okay, Letitia, my friend Letitia. Oh, phone now, you see. Queenie, my friend, I don't know, say by us. I'm also. The invitation will send us and try to my own tomb. All the deal to me, Russell. You see. Oh, funny see. The invitation, I don't know, for some reasons. I don't know. Please invite again. So why didn't you pick in the first place, Queenie? Why didn't you pick in the first place? I'm inviting you again. Pick it this way, please. Okay, Sedu Aziz not from. I'll call you. Queenie, that way. No. What?
About. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, okay. I see.
Okay, I'm listening.
Good evening, oh.
Good evening.
Then they make sure we know it's here for you. I mean, I'm sorry, I movie.
Yeah, you're fine.
My hitty papa, about my hitty and casta. And some are a bono or baby any honomoa. Said what here same way a bay any day. You say or buy one unit. So what's here say? You say or buy one unit. Or no pen or tear same way en hano. You say, eh, pa. I then Ankasa na me try not to hopa, na me try not to, and I mean, sending who na would you obey travel. So I say, Nippons never are saying yes, I say, what pay fame, I won't mean Tanish or young company with you, we are sister. Again, say you are wrong. I then was with me, it's now will be found with you, now would you know found with you.
Exactly.
So near metro. And I am saying, Funa Branty and wedding is an a more than in was the other wedding is an me hono me chane papa at that way of phone. Only the just way who will be a ring. This a day who will be a shady be one of only the pursue will be a what did deal industry. Not then a me to take what to send me the womb home coming on them. I then made a lesbian, me comfort. So will be bra, will be our own industry, ni will be bra. Never cast as me say, then you prove it your evidence. Won't me, mamma, it's nothing, cast someone, find who will be moving. In your name, said if you enjoy, you will be our bab on team, because a biasa. Or if you enjoy mab on team, make us, and same one will be no a bab on team, no a beck and some would you put young moving, if they want mab on team, make us. This one is a no. I dare anywhere. We are not going to tolerate this nonsense from this guy at there who say, well, I'm the evangelist, I son is so then. On your evangelist, baby, or your luminate, or your oppo to pa. Yes, it's a home which shows and wife is twice the catcher said, then Chemo, why a unit in if this one on in the one soon as it. It is at their pointing and Sakacha may say, and that's what being things the way you wait or you way are. Not just one who you dear. When we are phone, Pamania, like a Facebook for blocking or my blocking a papa. Now, coming in is your pound or your phone where Vivian Joe me two Vivian Joe for one money, dear. One money, dear, one friend, so money, dear. Yana Dana for any being a hypocrite for me and actually your phone. What know how was it? Chasu. One uncle, you did one, I won't chasu. One uncle, Nipani year was or be a way you find a dine and can with dine to wasn't anything. Then can with dine and cabin how painful it is. So what you say, Nippons name your senior, sir, I then wouldn't sound from. And now where you awkward, and then where you say, San or the couple when he didn't say when he awkward, when you say, Nippon on one cast what you to mother confess it, or the cow GH page so awkward, or to say for didn't them, I won't say I watch any power be on one cast I bet not say confess or by us to say. You can't even come out and say something without any proof. So what you say? Or then some for see me never the media will do social media and so tarnishing and or tarnishing for image, which is very wrong. Or you stupid boy pa. I didn't way an say even say I no cry, I fire who bang. I saw there air canoe, say I no cry, not them anything. The problem is saying exactly. Dear what pay, dear what party will Nipano. Say Nipano or your awkward, Nipano or your lesbian, Nipano or your Illuminati, Nipano or your thing on any banana. Who was 7 is saying? You. Who are there? What's 7 is saying? I watch just some way at snow when the tsunami him saying, young Sunny Panipabo and say back with him. And yet, be are there or more than will come out, or more than Vivian, no. But because any panel funny come to social media and so into a person pushing on the Hano. Now, if you have to see them with the Mikuba. ni ono never so man Ghana ono na yes star ni kunu yes star ya ma industry nim se e be kire ma ya ma industry nim se e be kire kunu enti so obi fa ne ba ma obi fa ne kunu ma obi fa ne yere ma ya we need right so pushing the shadow can say ma enim e de fa ni pa ne ho say de be ya ni pa ne de ne ba be to abonten I wrong
yeah
Jimmy Sam na wodi ni ti koto adwin ni nyansa bia ni adwin creativity you see nyansa adwin wiase na ye nam adwin ni de na wo obi abona adwin a na waka bibi said the trading pa good name is better than riches obi wo hono ma wanya sika wo wodin but nyansa bia ni mu nyansa bia ni obi a money din ka sisi wa de obi aba odi obi ani mu but then no people would dia wodi territory ayensan fun na wodi no me to me bo ade din a menim say ade trumodifo ade illuminati ade occult ade organization for images this I mean in the good way come out to me bo wodi a menim so your nation blogger you always come out with the truth menim so ye ni papa wo industry me say wo one for promoting for the nyansa sama ba industry ni na nyansa ade we Edin is see what happened to exactly. What is the essence of it?
Exactly.
What is the essence of it?
Namisha.
Oh yeah, Jimmy for him.
Namisha.
Onim nyansa.
Catch me also.
Oh here to fufu. Kama we dem pacho. Me person ke be chate kitama na nka wakwa to anu America or feel say we dru kwa wi na nka wakwa me nya na nka wakwa bu ne papa say na pampa mutie no nya abrante we won here bro papa. Here bro papa. Yeah, Bonne mammy, I mean, shall we?
Catch me. Okay, what do you know? Imagine invitation. I see any musano. If perfume, if I can't say dirty boy like this. And China will be cheap. I see ya. If you want to start here, we set up the chain for you to follow. Maybe I say. We set up the chain for you to follow. Now me catch you on. Crow be and will be a crow be on him. Chimney forward. I'm about to your phone, say that, bro. Crow be and will be a baby on him. I will foolish boy say to social media. Now, Jimmy, Chimney. About all my friend, you say, mommy, who can say I'm fat? What's that? My friend and you, any part of doors, my friend, for you. Course, no doors in there. The same with phobia, your phone, you see.
Good evening, nation. Michacha Obia. My sister say, the two koto adjun him, I am pa adjubien him, the TDA koto pa adjubien. And a crowd strekasa na okasa crash reply na ma this to say osro to say opese on ka say on person on ka osro say enye vim na odi kanu no baby aso odi kwase asem a enye vim na odi kanu no je ade uno we Jimmy unim say unim the reason why we Jimmy pa u papa de odi uba wi ase no kra onu kra will give you up on you your interview no kra will give you up on you. And I say, "Who papa should give you up on you? Any day we are saying the kwasi asem kwa na obet because in shrebi ani wa brabo. Who ye ya mami ota na esho. Mami ota na esho. Na who nyansa me na okita. Mami ota na esho. Ya mami ota na esho.
Ye ni bi ye mami ota. Ye mami ota kaka.
Na mami ota kra say onu kra ho no onim say we Jimmy oni ni kro from omu ye Jimmy for. Na wo de hu akokan omo mu nyina mu ye Jimmy for na mu nam ho no nti a group of Jimmy for na nti na de mu wo nyansa no how omo life how enye Jimmy say ma mami wota so ede na okita wo wiase enye Jimmy say ma mami wota illusion na real cra obi antimi authenticate wait Jimmy somehow you are depressed so you need cure to be frank with you are depressed me question the video no the followers ya no mu ya no ya na who say we na start here ejuma o omu ya na sa only the followers omu nku omu ya na sa there you are mad there you are this there you are stupid boy shut up Kwahwe comment no masere sa who say
yeah no on the sako car no wa pa wrong way because there no oye nyame ni posture
of course who say yeah other
people respecting the part
of course
you can't insult anybody and just go away like that
who say mame no nakum osun won akome mu come back program osun won akome and the uye ne bibisa na one the person is ignorant innocent about it ebe chase you nature will fight you and nature they start fighting no nature will fight you because mame no wanya no hwe na mame no waboni dinda what you say waboni dinda mame no kwa on Facebook kra me hunu the profile ba hunu da ma hunu da ena mame no kra se ne bi se ne kra ndi wechi a ne bano ni innocent bano cry you foul the boy and till the world comes to an end and then so one if you've not come to seek for forgiveness it will harm you now adena move sorry and am atete sem na mo di fact abom but say mu huye me sa kind of bloggers no I don't know what is going through their mind. Who say okano say obi na catch me and na obi say obi na catch you but wafa bo but say udi weni kind na hu ye enye Jimmy sem ni nyina enka Jimmy line no Jimmy line no anyway the odi ba mami water echi de Jimmy kwa na obi till the world sees back
what was shake no she is a woman
Seba catch you onu de adwe no minim school ben na okoye o because sometimes what me fa some word be that you say what kind of mind is this onu kra offer hin na okoye wes no offer him bazana na counselor no kra omu sometimes kra omu timi man nipa bi visa na udwi hu kra na unti ase he needs way your friend is saying deliverance pa or needed deliverance na obi na ya mami otakra na ya na eba ne say me ba o me wa asem bi mpese me bisa asem mi obi na osu mami ota eba ne say na onya evangelist no
daddy enkwasi asem
evangelist no ko fa ne hi evangelist wo mami ota na sesen
mami ota evangelist mami ota
na who see who sum mami ota na evangelist na any there evangelist fake wo mu
yeah
na mo sorry kwasi asem kwa unsu ahwe unse ade our class no wa bomb because any time is discussing an issue then you don't even know the left and right of the issue
Aziz Kasama meba
because the emi ya ono so followers ignorant followers like him mamu we otini baby na wo ko sorry I say oni ni ba ni bada na we every here na mo sorry so bebre ho na men ya mami ota mo nyina mo so mami ota ne bia na ene de mo mamu enim bie because mami ota want me bo bia sister bi ho eye mi say mami ota asem no ha no u comment mo sum nyame na meje mu kwa me nye pastor but the reality is if you accept the monotheism of God edu na beje mu kwa that's how mami ota Jimmy sem wo say dey o Jimmy because wa catch obiase nyina ono oso mami ota the oka said Jesus Christ or see Jesus Christ a Freemason na we asem ye kan asem we ye kan enye Jimmy enye Jimmy sema we asem we ye kan utika kakake we hwinim there's nothing in your head ade minim say who share with fake account suanyansa ade suanyansa suanyansa obi she kawa na oye Freemason obi she we ya oye Freemason unje de unima no se uye bia kawa no tum ne so omo enye obia ne so omo enye obia ne so omo ah now we are okay omukura say omu ye Freemason na efa ho ye ben who does it touch? What is your problem? Freedom of association, freedom of worship. So we consume the Freemason and Illuminati. If I who bang, if I ukra na also mami water crowd, who a chance say also mami water. One your boldness and say also mami water. Ukra na also mami water crowd. Obi ambashu. Ukra one your boldness say we consume Illuminati near if I who bang. Eddie betu obi plate ana.
See like how she's faring. Eddie me ba to mo share program no mame. Na Vivian fans no e pese mo tenenka. Na mo hu se de Vivian wo tie. Mo tie ana se na brabo. Ti mo share program ni Vivian be kasa. I mean
na there on share ni hu ye. On share ni one day or chat video obeti ato. Because enye obi asem na etimi kana e coffee. Obi no ka o see Jesus ye Freemason. We enye jibisem. O see Jesus ye Freemason. O see Jesus ye 33-degree Freemason. Enye jimie. E na o see 33-degree Freemason o ko use Jesus age o see Jesus 33 years. Into 33.
Faru ku try me to info.
Nation we ada de we Jimmy pa ne ti kakraka no hwenim we hwenim pra and that's
the matter mo share ba na and the first no mo say you sit here na wo say daddy abi am done so maybe I will be a ciao daddy a ciao ade obeje Jimmy no ti be ba to mo share program no na ye fa namra oh pin number ben and recognize eba About to share. Oh, I didn't idea. Okay, I'm in try. My pin number, my boy, I say. I'm in try. Hello. Vivian Baton, what is saying? Hello?
Yes.
Me Baton Vivian, what is saying?
Come on.
Ye de nyankopo ase. Me Baton say efie so boko. Ye de nyankopo ase. Na Vivian, hey, e dey ntina Ghana for pe wa asem sa.
Yes, I make no. I know na acheche me re pa na for the not be sure but mama me who say enye ni penny na beta I just achieve some cry. The mechanic said, Opia, Yami show ni ma o did say. Me Vivian Joe, mean to me, yes, I did with say. And Yami sure and I'm sure. Your duty be as a meeting, and so, and I didn't win Yamabo.
I mean,
yeah.
Wow. Now, Vivian, hey, just say, I there, what did you amount for baby at them? ba wo de di akoye bibie wo aden tina set mi basa hello Vivian. Hello. Oh, try card this. Never. Card per se me crown. Card ne per se me crown never. Ama. Never unya wote. Ama. Uma mempe never. Say na the kasa because the Ghana for aye no dey. Me dey me gino ko kra. Me tiase. Ama. Me ba go for phone bra. For phone bra. For phone bra. Oh. No, I don't. Do you know the password? Me person me friend no, but my card no yeah some. Hello, Vivian.
Network no.
Network ne hard ne kakra. Vivian, no me question me busa me say. Dey na Ghana for timi do sa. Ghana for aso mo do too much. Ade wo bibia na.
Bible crack say so nwa Erade nko bi ma wo.
Yeah.
Yakopɔ na obia koma.
Wow.
Sa asɛm ne motu. Na me ne nkola no.
Wow, yo.
Me ma asa first morning me ko chef bia me yeto Facebook no. Ibusa me ko say ti ya me kasa se.
Oh.
Na fe asɛm na papa na ka no. No kra ha me kese sɛ mama meti ya beki kansem bi ani se free ma no epie.
Oh.
Ete Yakopɔ me hye kwa mumu bi kuma me you read comments ni bia na tete me re.
Oh. Eti uso aji unsem o.
Me say minim se metimi awia flow bia ba ko bakwada na se.
Oh.
But time bia wotin so bia watimi bia na no aka bia ma me bia no. Erade ma ba time bia ba enyi me hwe no.
Oh.
Obi bia la watimi agi asem we so ade no. Erade fa na kuma.
Oh.
Na se we amama bimbu se ye woni pa be play no wo wiase. Enti e wo se yenyina no ye ya hye ye wonyo ma bi was ipa tene wo wiase ne dos was sem we na aba no. Wasu di obi ko to bitimi kan dem bi. Enwe ya mete ye say your sister bi say eye den na makuma ehu say bibi ma me da bia wo ka because makuma no wo baby ti da bia makuma ma me ye kuma ne ye ne he asma ka ne se moda junior me hu ne ti say ya o me ma me o ka se sofu bi share me gonkom enne Ghana mpo Nigeria me bra me di na church me 13 years me ma me no nim so onwu piem so sofu bi na ka che me say obewo baba no wo a o ma na ni nkwa akola no no beba be ye odefo enti me ma me wan fa na fo sama ntete me aka me ho besi ne me fa me bag nko obi fi asa dan fo ko di 2 days 3 days o me ma me ama me sa kwan no o twe me be no enti aka me ho besi e ne enti se me kuma aba be kasa mo bi nyina so kansem foforo kama me decide se me nkasa bien because me hu ne say some person they fa baby. Now any little thing that will come out from Manu, I said just can baby before.
Oh.
And then if we prayer from your catch me say come on to but my professor super so much minute.
Oh. Vivian, me de ma hu no se Nyankopɔn no pese o fa sa kwan su pagya wo ya pagya Nyankopɔn o kwan o fa su pagya nipa da sani bia ade bi ho a wo hu no se nkwase but Nyankopɔn onim kwan o fa su pagya nipa da sani bia so what you ase wo de hwese de wo sitie enye asem a boy editor so obi enu wate wo nsem da so what you say and na baby I no ba no kra sa no Vivian no ba no we are very close me boy
Ame sa asem no kra em sa papa no se de nkofo say minim baby o free say minim ade bia abetena ni paso sa o se me ne me pepa na me ba no birthday party me fa me back late kokla
na the birthday oh
I am the 16th birthday party. I mean, organize a man. Me invite Joey B man, because no pay Joey B no. Me ma Joey B Bobo man. Me never know for photo. And on the banner side, I'm not very at the banner for the kaka. And now, so you'll be so and then so said it's not so. I'm catching up with it. You're going to make an apple. Come on, and you.
Oh.
And your club, we never banning or pure warriors, piano, semi, we never banning or club with that. Me banner or club, I would you me. My son said, me, mamma, I need to send me. No, my son, about 6 time he was 16, his 16th birthday. No, 20, young club. And go not then I make me banner. And then call a banner, or winning more money on my data. So the club na me nim ho hia and they mean to me can then me sorry from about 16 years so I didn't want to dig tag on me to this tag on the birthday party I sport no can me refini the friend say she's very opposite and I call my bugu the shop and I shoot 16 na mama you shoot 16 birthday party mommy and he organizing it any koi me kwano mo ben who cry so on to me so madam be alaba mami alaba na prompting is there o ba na gira wa won to me ta na mo hwe me kone na kosa ase mi na ani asa o gira me chi a wo sabra wo hu na sale sample mi akwa na me de me hu twitwi no enti enne yentimi ni ya bank asapie mu ana ma ya ban fa ye san kaye biem aden Adena sa papa no opeso de hye nipa bi mutirim adie cheso free him
not just 4 years video 4 years video ni
4 years ago
radinya nkopon radi
adore ya sama wakofa wodi abetu e 2 years ago
wow look
come on to Pia for the papa social media.
There be no obey obey
Pia the pan life for sa. Me de bia make us a stardom no e betu no kwamo because be see ene me kra na sabi me wa adwuma ma me nim sabi adwuma esitiem. Ye wo ba bi wo hokwa me kwa na me fere kakra.
Oh.
So me brother bi say ye bia say na me run baby to say ye bia se na nipa kra go ho bebre a like as I feel there kakra to me so kakra
oh
asa na magada vim I say adwuma na me ye no e was say me po me ni opia sre I have to be nice to everybody na me call me baby
wama
that's not say akofa se we say I just say se kofo daje say ni penny dear Gabriel for better fear him. Say me banana or ye bear mapa or ye nipa or no got a courage like or you okay. No Casamino no Kumasi or Wakra. But a 15 right now who's a minoke, and you may our testament so back but on funny karma. And you know, who cabby, not say air fair. On to me, you know, won't take picture him. And the cast almost be bait later, who na cats, ning I am a banadia, and I am a dear.
Well, I said 20 years, still or mini.
Debut, na nipa kra no te say omu te so ka sama mo bi ku say I am pastor me wo okotu and I'm rich. Come on, yeah, bro, we are still working very hard. I work like a normal human being. Me sorry no pastor sika bi pie wo me dem. E ka juma di bre wo kwasa ke yenye.
Munye.
Odina no asikuma wudu fo ho dodo. As ye pre.
Na Vivian sadi e ba oba no like obia endpoint like also onya any encounter bia na so bi mbe kan chen say asema e koso like bibia sa
enkwala na eba no kama o majuma pie dodo enti if say na danfo me bane na fufu ani ni mate enti mi ndi asem we ni mo for say you focus news and then danfo ba ko from us mobi why you dey cry because of this madman. Any sensible person no go believe this man. A boy of 19 years. And kwala went me just when you know na se penny papa penny na wawale tia wale asipi anasa mama penny bia se bi when you ji asem we say dia on say
abroche stress na fire sa no stress abroche stress afire on say ya ba ero ya de film ne be wure mu ya ba anye yinti aboa fa etiri mu sister enti ye de yankwase asem bia me so se Ghana kura asem no enche asem social media so na ejina na Ghana wa ejina ho sa
ejina ha o be ni dan
radio so
ejina ha sa
omuka radio so ana
omuka na me ni pa from no am so ni papa me no wakasa o and even bloggers abba me fear hanne obi o wa me shop okra bi sa me say sister enko bi abehwehwe wo sa na me sure ka chogo se me to kwan piti anu achi kra me pie piti anu achi asam ne ba he no me pie biem
woyo na bibia wo hwe say why is strong and say still ama why down kakra because we are sita wo just we are down obe high pa because ye ni abre papa ye ni abre se krodom no me na down ada enya na ada ni be no ebe ji ni nsem
asam na papa na aka no eno no kra no se say ha me bebiri
okay
but ye ha me ne say kama kamenya kame obi tematem no bi atema no atem se kamenya pa eti de ha me se sia he o fa ha ni ejo fa ha bi ejo o fa ha bi ejo eno ni atia me de da nyina me ma say o ka che me ma me ndi o se me se wa me se ko ya ho na ya de astem ha no ko be ka chiro bi nation mu I mean, some I brought me with some hair. I won't say. They mean come us some from collaborate more.
Na Vivian, Samre ya can't tell my mess obey or the phone. And on you, Vivian star being no I can answer moon. And I was a new she, my person taking is a positive, taking in a positive way. Because
we take as some now, sister, neck high and or say a day number come on. This is the time and come ma metiatia. On the bad time piano. So when you say I won't so ya
definitely no correct.
Come on, catch some ma metia sister ya. E come a person be so akono. No was so me mu. No wa pompaya mami.
Oh.
I get mami real hope ano. At least say Clinton is and some shane so. Ko ba me ho o de su beba. Me so me bani na ma pompaya man. But me ni who? So who do I go to? Why na me kono? Me de just only 2 years. Esie me mame. You didn't chiwu ya Clinton papa so jare da ho for 13 years and sana wo free mu. Inti why na this soon kono nti na ma obi ti say 20 makuma no nkofo and then nipa birthday had just to be with me no. Me be said them na e be ya tata say asema to me adenti na was asem we to me.
Vivian na peja me dem hu say Nyankopon na pese o do ko different level. Wose be bia disgrace will be a grace is wo ho. Otwedi ampon Nyankopon de o ye ntiase se de nyame ye nyina na ye tiase a Vivian ka me no mi no ka enye ya asem ni. Oh Nyankopon wose like or the water for bet shisha wonasi amoti tia won so. And if you say the wiase, and if you say the wiase come out. Ade wodidi otumfo atemu otumfo te kokoso ekode din obi ankasa wodidi na nado atemu obi ankasa we obi enwo wonidi na tem nkwa Shatawale kra ne fans hwe Shatawale fans atese omo abodam omo baabia wodidi Shatawale atemu ankosi aga Vivian nkwa wodi no sabe kan obiasi na agi boom eso utrasi na auto champagne na ututugu so na ukase onyankopon de wo ye na enne nyankopon ama wadofo increase ama enne wiase me fa camera de me dwini ase me call life ama ade me namfo lawyers doctors just mpenyufo a just almost support this mission because of you know who abaji unsem enti me fi say instead of so obo say eye die enti na ese we tu no ese odi asedam nyankopon na ukase nyame medase se wama biase wodi odo ahya amanfo akum me hodo because bibi anya onkwa no wodi watemu oya amanfo pi enti wei ama ya gia tum se de ka che o ma me se obeye odefo no obeye special no you are special enti this thing shouldn't run you down but it should rather mani ma hu se enti bi pa mini enti kokko ka obeka ye Vivian ene ye ya so camera ene obi enfiwa ene so ka obeye ne den. Thank you very much. Ba o ma mini ho. Nyankopon ama amanfo ma me no mafo so omo ye omo ma. Amanfo nua no so ye omo nua metiwe. Enu me ba anopa ba enwumre. Ene ma ba anopa. Masa ba enwumre just because of you. Nti die bi mo na nyame ma wo. Ene ukop ade page so a ne fans an omo support no. What you must dinner time left and right. You have to feel special. Nyame shirawo. Na sa wo chira no ye bon pass nyankopon shira Ghana ni biasa. Into fans, I didn't have a feel come from ba me person fans no say wo ye. Bibie ni wo koso wa brabom. Ade na wa ka no embubu na embubu china. Ye tawochi anopa wie nwumre. Ti ma me wo da na Ghana fo do mo tawo ye kitua bi. No more town cry the into more town wa ho fe obia so ubu ade amanfo kawasem so fere ade ubu nipa enti o se nipa mama bia so hu ohie o they say otu takracha ubu se nipa so no mo hwe enti sa na akwa enti Vivian o da na o fancy tie o ka bibi tie o mo ma bichi o mo re na yenku yanim
kama sa de me kan ya no meda o pia ase meda wo piara sabi on pemasam kra na wo je asem yidi a watime anya adaje etie me ana watie madofo bi no na fe masa asre opia se wakansem bebre batan pie no ya kansem fa ne ma ho a o kai pia ya sam boni a be ha no wasam ne sam accident asam ne ade no mesre opia so pia ko no kotodwa ni ma wo de 1 minute krana enya mimpo on ka me mame de mesro biano beta bunyi na ase
Vivian yami nchira opi na ye frɛ obi anka o ma o ye star ewiasi na Vivian
kuma mame
oye obi o ho anka frɛ na o ma o mfien celebrity party se Vivian ho fefefe na ye afro na oni abedi obi wanko be chichechen ho akyere but what you say ampa o ma metete wampa o twe ho bata no ho ampa ti Vivian ka wakoma to yim unuano mema ne unuano mma papa bi pa o mo se o mo nya wo nko musa emu na wo mu se me usa na wo hwe enua Franklina me invite you se be Franklina so wo hwe Franklina no me invite you. Hello? Hello, but what you mean? Oh, I'm salani breaky kakra. Ebusi afo Vivian jail na motie nkan wakasa ama enema tie ni shoe. kasa ya tete na mpa hwese di usi kasa nyansa ni sei ejimifo kra omo ne omo ma no na ejimifo mo nim nyansa kra ni omo tim kra omo ne omo ma mo na hwe oba nyansafo a obie na no hwese di usi kasa o kasa epum ni diem wo ye hwan obeta achew wo ye hwan sisi beta achew hwese di usi kasa ejimifo ko mo nim nyansa kra sebe muntini eno ho ma nyesa na we nyansa ni ya kasa utumi se ya tete no pepa to Latif Frisuna Sabra o kamera ni show Latif nyansa ni sei mo kamera ni show ejimifo ko mo nim nyansa kra mo ne o mo manna na we ya tete no utumi se fie ba homemade woman homemade oba ya titin out me say fiem pa ni ma me ye olubia ni atie because ma me ye jimi awon tin kasase ma me ye jimi for can you talk like this he said you see kasa with respect obuwiase upunipa na me na pejano in every disgrace there's grace I mean for 1 or 2 callers na me kramo na me nko Papa me pacho ma me fro papa me pacho camera ni ho mama me friend daddy abiam dan so osofo ha yi e se me frɛ no me ankasa sofo me pacho Frisuna brother me fro osofo ha yi mama me friend daddy abiam dan so a great man ankasa ti sofo me pacho camera ni show ka me pese me frɛ na ija Vivian free abayi na nka sofo so aba na yenu aba no